We all enter this world with a spiritual team. They are our spirit guides. These guides are with us from our very first breath. Their love and support are constant. They want to see us succeed and thrive. Think of them as your own personal cheerleading squad, rooting for you from the sidelines of life. They are invested in your journey. They guide you towards your soul's purpose. These guides are not random spirits. They are chosen specifically for you. They connect with your energy. They understand your unique path. They know your strengths. They are also aware of your weaknesses. This makes them the perfect companions on your life's journey. They offer guidance and support at every turn. Your spirit guides are always with you. They are present even when you are unaware. They whisper guidance in your ear. They nudge you towards opportunities. They protect you from harm. They celebrate your victories. They offer comfort during challenging times. The key is learning to recognize their presence. You need to be open to receiving their messages. Once you do, your life will transform. You will begin to understand your purpose. You will navigate life's challenges with grace and ease. Your spirit guides are your greatest allies. They are waiting patiently for you to reach out. Many people think of spirit guides as distant beings, almost like mythical figures who exist far beyond our reach. They imagine them floating on clouds, unconcerned with the mundane details of our lives, as if they are too lofty to care about our everyday struggles and joys. But this couldn't be further from the truth. In reality, spirit guides are deeply connected to us, more than we can ever imagine. Your spirit guides are deeply invested in your happiness and well-being. They are like unseen friends who are always there, rooting for you. They are present for every triumph and every tribulation. Whether you are celebrating a small victory or facing a significant challenge, they are by your side. They want to see you succeed. They are your biggest supporters, always encouraging you to reach your highest potential. Imagine your spirit guides as your own personal cheering section. They are there, clapping and cheering for you, even when you can't hear them. They are there on the sidelines of your life, watching every step you take, ready to offer support and guidance. They are cheering you on as you pursue your dreams. Every time you take a step towards your goals, they are there, celebrating your courage and determination. They offer words of encouragement when you stumble. When you face obstacles, they are there to remind you of your strength and resilience. They celebrate your victories, no matter how big or small. Every achievement is a cause for celebration in their eyes. They want you to know that you are never alone. Even in your loneliest moments, they are there, offering comfort and companionship. Your spirit guides are not passive observers. They are actively involved in your life, working behind the scenes to help you. They are active participants in your life. They influence events and circumstances to create opportunities for you. They work behind the scenes to orchestrate opportunities. They arrange situations and encounters that can lead you to success. They place people in your path who can help you. These encounters are not random. They are carefully planned to support your journey. They whisper guidance and intuition to steer you in the right direction. These whispers are subtle nudges that guide you towards your true path. The problem is, we often ignore these whispers. We doubt our intuition, thinking it's just our imagination. We dismiss synchronicities as mere coincidence. We fail to see the signs and messages that our spirit guides are sending us. But when we learn to trust our spirit guides, our lives begin to flow with more ease and grace. We start to see the magic in everyday moments. We start attracting the people and opportunities that align with our soul's purpose. Our path becomes clearer and our journey more fulfilling. We begin to live a life filled with meaning and fulfillment. With the support of our spirit guides, we can achieve our dreams and find true happiness. As a medium, I have the privilege of communicating with the spirit world daily. This connection allows me to bridge the gap between our physical existence and the ethereal realm, providing insights and guidance that can profoundly impact our lives. I have witnessed firsthand the profound impact spirit guides can have on our lives. These benevolent entities, often unseen and unheard by most, work tirelessly to steer us towards our true paths, offering wisdom and support in times of need. I have seen them guide people towards their soulmates, orchestrating encounters that seem like fate, but are actually the result of careful spiritual planning. These connections often lead to deep, meaningful relationships that enrich our lives in unimaginable ways. I have seen them help people heal from deep emotional wounds, providing comfort and clarity that allows for true emotional recovery. This healing process can be transformative, enabling individuals to move forward with renewed strength and purpose. I have even seen them guide people to make life-altering decisions that led to their greatest happiness. Whether it's a career change, a move to a new city, or a shift in personal relationships, the guidance of spirit guides can illuminate the path to a more fulfilling life. One particular story that stands out involved a young woman named Sarah. Her journey is a testament to the incredible power of spiritual intervention. Sarah was at a crossroads in her life. She felt stuck, unsure of which direction to take, and was desperately seeking clarity. She was unhappy in her career, feeling as though she was merely going through the motions without any real sense of purpose or fulfillment. She was feeling lost and unfulfilled, her spirit yearning for something more but not knowing where to find it. She came to see me, hoping to connect with loved ones who had passed on. She believed that through these connections, she might find the answers she was seeking. During the reading, her spirit guides came through very strongly. Their presence was undeniable, and their messages were clear and direct. They showed me that Sarah had a natural talent for writing, a gift she had never fully recognized or embraced. They urged her to pursue this passion, emphasizing that it was a key part of her life's purpose and would bring her the fulfillment she so desperately sought. They even showed me the cover of a book she was meant to write, a vision so vivid and detailed that it left no room for doubt. Sarah was hesitant at first. The idea of becoming a writer seemed daunting and far-fetched, something she had never considered for herself. She had never thought of herself as a writer, and the prospect of embracing this new identity was both exciting and terrifying. But with the encouragement of her spirit guides and a little nudge from me, she decided to take a leap of faith. She realized that sometimes the most profound changes come from stepping out of our comfort zones and trusting in the guidance we receive. Sarah enrolled in a writing class, eager to develop her skills and explore this newfound passion. The class provided her with the tools and confidence she needed to start her journey as a writer. She started journaling every day, using writing as a way to connect with her inner self and her spirit guides. This daily practice became a source of inspiration and clarity, helping her to navigate her path with greater ease. She poured her heart and soul into her writing, channeling the guidance and wisdom she received from her spirit guides. And guess what? Within a year, Sarah had written and published her first book. It became a bestseller, a testament to the power of following one's true calling and the guidance of spirit guides. Sarah was finally living the life she was meant to live, all thanks to the guidance of her spirit guides. Her story is a powerful reminder that when we open ourselves to the wisdom of the spirit world, we can achieve incredible things and find true fulfillment. Spirit guides communicate in subtle ways. They are like the gentle breeze that rustles the leaves, barely noticeable unless you are truly paying attention. They don't usually appear in a puff of smoke or write messages on your bathroom mirror, though hey, anything is possible. Instead, they prefer to work behind the scenes, nudging you gently in the right direction. Instead, they communicate through intuition, signs, and synchronicities. These are the little coincidences that seem too perfect to be random, the gut feelings that guide you when logic fails. Learning to recognize these signs is crucial. It's like learning a new language, one that is spoken not with words, but with feelings, symbols, and events. Have you ever had a song get stuck in your head, only to realize later that the lyrics held a message for you? This is one of the many ways your spirit guides try to get your attention. That's your spirit guides trying to get your attention. They use music, art, and other forms of creative expression to communicate with you, because these mediums can bypass the logical mind and speak directly to your soul. Or maybe you keep seeing the same number sequence repeatedly. These numbers are not just random, they are a form of communication from your guides. Those are called angel numbers, and they often carry specific meanings. Each number sequence has its own vibration and message, tailored just for you. Pay attention to your dreams too. Dreams are a powerful way for your guides to communicate because your subconscious mind is more open and receptive during sleep. Our guides often communicate through our subconscious, They send symbols, scenarios, and even direct messages through our dreams. Keep a dream journal by your bed and jot down any symbols or messages that stand out. Over time, you will start to see patterns and recurring themes that can offer valuable insights. You might be surprised at the guidance you receive. Sometimes the messages are so clear and direct that they leave no room for doubt. Sometimes your guides will communicate through other people. They might use a friend, a stranger, or even a casual acquaintance to deliver a message. You might overhear a conversation that sparks an idea, or you might read a book or article that seems to speak directly to your situation, or you might meet someone who has the exact information you need. These encounters are not mere coincidences. They are orchestrated by your guides to help you on your path. Pay attention to the people who come into your life. They might be sent by your guides to help you on your journey. Each person you meet has the potential to be a messenger. They might be sent by your guides to help you on your journey. The more you open yourself to these possibilities, the more you will start to see the interconnectedness of everything. The more you pay attention to these subtle signs, the more you will start to notice them. It's like tuning into a frequency that was always there but was previously drowned out by the noise of everyday life. You will begin to develop a deeper connection with your spirit guides and the universe. This connection will bring a sense of peace and clarity, knowing that you are never truly alone. You will start to see that you are always guided and supported, even when you feel lost or alone. Trust in the process and know that your guides are always with you, whispering opportunities and guiding you towards your highest good.